Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today is kind of a mishmash day. I'm trying to put away the Halloween and also get rid of some of my older stuff. So in order to put stuff away, you gotta organize it, you gotta sort through stuff, and that's what I had to do. So right now, I just wanted to share with you all the container that I got from Walmart. I currently, so it's this container from Walmart. It was like under $3, and I'll tell you now, I don't really like it because this particular closure, you can see the lid doesn't secure on all the way around. It literally is just the front that locks it, and I don't trust that. So I'm gonna have to find something to keep that secure so that the things don't fall out. But the other thing about the container, what I'm using it for, mainly to sort my Target chipboard stickers. I have the Halloween one. I just emptied it, and this is what's left of my kit, of that collection. What I had to do so that the container would shut, I took my X-Acto knife, my craft knife, and I cut out the divider from this part here and this part right here. So this section and this section, there used to be two separate sections. I just used that knife, cut right as close to the wall as I could, and then I just took my my long nose pliers, got a hold of the section and twist it, and then it pops off. Now it sounds easy, but you know, you gotta really take your time because it's tough to cut through this hard plastic. But anyway, that's what I did. I sorted out the pumpkins and the cats and the skeletons and, you know, all the little stuff that there were so many options to choose from in this selection. So I kind of sorted it so that I didn't have to keep digging in that bucket, and I got that section, the sections cut away so that these chipboards right here would not get smashed. So they were just kind of oddly shaped, and they didn't want to fit in a section here. So that's what I had to do. Actually, I think I'm just so picky. So I'm going to put these in here just because. And then we're going to put the houses together. Yeah, you're wondering, okay, how come you didn't put all the houses together? Well, they all can't fit in one section. Just like these, they would pop up and they'll prevent the lid from closing completely. So that's what I did, and that's the storage for my chipboard stickers. So the next one I want to do is the fall collection. And you know, I say it's not my favorite container to use right now, but I bought it and I don't have the receipt. I can't return it. So I mean, I can, but I don't want to mess with all that. Let's just use what you got. You bought it, you use it. Make it work. Make it work, girl. And this is basically all I did. Took the container and dumped it out because literally, we'll see, like I did with the Halloween, we'll see what I have to do, what I have to cut up. So basically just took the stuff and started sorting. You don't have to sort it out this exact. I mean, you can take it and put it in anywhere, wherever you'd like, but this is what I'm going to do. And right now I'm just going to get a bunch of the ones that I see right here in front of me that are the same, and just kind of sort them. There is a lot more variety in this little bunch than the Halloween. So I'm going to get sorting with these, and if I have to cut compartments out again, I will. But for now, I'm just going to leave it until we get to that point. And that fit in nicely. And that's all it is, guys. And I'll be back. Okay, guys. This is the fall chipboard embellishment box that I organized. So this is what it looks like. I've got it all separated. There were hearts, animals, acorns, leaves, foiled, glittered, you know, and I didn't have to cut a box open. So there were some pumpkins. There wasn't as many as the Halloween, which was nice because that was a buttload of pumpkins and I still didn't use them all. And then there's the animals. So here's some deer and bears, and some fox. And then these are just chipboard squares, and you got little animals. So there's the fox, and here's a bear, very cute, and here's the deer. And you know, I can use this for fall embellishments and also Christmas. I don't know, I think. At least I hope so. Uh-oh. Okay, so the deer they're quite big. Uh-oh. They won't let me shut it. So see, if it goes over the edge right here, like the deer does, it's like barely over the edge, but it won't go in. Let's see. Actually, let's do that. The acorn back in there. And let's put the bears there. There we go. Got it. And that is it for the fall. See what I mean? This. Okay, so that closes, and then you just have to deal with the sides. Alright, so that is it. I got the fall and the Halloween chipboard boxes put away for Halloween. I already put away my Halloween decorations, and we're gonna leave the fall out. Still want to work on some Thanksgiving stuff, so yeah, that's about it. I mean, my craft room is a mess right now, and I'm really trying to get it cleaned up so I can start on my Thanksgiving and my Christmas projects. I mean, I started on one and I just painted it and that was it. And then I walked away from it because I'm like, I cannot get creative when my room is such a mess. So we'll see where we go from there. And oh, I did want to share with you a very tiny haul. It is from Dollar General, and it's just 2 spools of ribbon. They're 2.5 inches by 9 feet. Now these are $2. They're a little more than a little, so double the price. But this is the little red truck. You see that with the Christmas tree in the back? They had all their Christmas unpacked and they didn't even shelve them. They were just open, and I just helped myself. So. But then you have the little Santa, and it's a fabric ribbon, wired, and you get 9 feet of it. So I may go back and get some more. The last thing that I picked up, and it was hard to find because it was at the bottom of the pile, is the $4 2-placemats, and it is the little red truck. So can you see the glisten on that? So what I'm going to do is make this into a pillow, but I'm not going to use this to back it. I will use my fabric stash. And this was $4. Did I not say that? $4. I will use my fabric stash and use this either on my couch or in my youngest son's bedroom. We shall see where it ends up, but that is the plan. And no, I will not be using hot glue. I have a sewing machine and I do love to use my sewing machine, and I like using it because it'll last longer than the hot glue. Work on this. So this will go also really well with Dollar Tree's Santa. I already shared this in a previous haul, and it may just make it onto his bed. So Santa and a little red truck, I mean, they're not the same, but they are super cute. So that was it, guys. That's all I've got for now, and I'm gonna get busy straightening up my mess. Oh yeah, and one more update, because I was bringing down my stuff. I put my little pumpkin girl that I did several videos back. I took the Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree and I made her a base because she kept falling over. So I just put her on 3 bricks across, and then I took 4 to put it on the outside edges. And that was the little girl. And then this, I did the little boy a little different. I have these wooden cutouts from Hobby Lobby. It was just it's a big stack of cutout wood that you can use for however you want. But I used that, and then I used some of the Jenga blocks again to give it a base to lift it up higher. And there you go, guys. That's my update, and I hope you all are having fun and getting crafty. And I will be back with more crafting videos to share with you all. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you want to know when I put up my new videos, hit that notification bell, and it'll tell you when exactly I upload a new video. So thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.